We're learning more about the couple who died in the storm. 38-year-old Lola Beth Ortega and Lord Balabat were the New Jersey couple asleep in a tent when a tree fell on it. Balabat worked at Walgreens in Jersey City and was loved by his employees.
It broke our hearts. We're walking around to work like zombies because we still can't even take it all in yet. Everybody's devastated. Everybody was crying out word.
Ortega worked as a lab technician. All three of their children were hurt. At last check, their 13-year-old son, Lee Andrew, is in critical condition at CHKD.